Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to understand box plots using real dataset and see how they help us analyze data distributions and identify outliers. Let us start by uh, loading a dataset. So here we are loading tips, and the head of the dataset is shown here. It has total bills, tip, the sex of the pair, smoker, day, time, and the size of the individuals. And we are going to use a box plot to see the to visualize this data. So first, to do box plot using Seaborn, we use sns.boxplot, df total bill, x is equal to total bill column we have given, and we are asking them to give a heading called distribution of total bill. Now, how to read this box plot? The line inside the box is the median of the data set. This is a median, which is the middle value of the data. The box itself represents the middle 50% of the data, also called as interquartile range. The line extending from the box is called whiskers, and the points outside that is called outliers. Now let's make it more interesting by comparing categories. For example, let's use the day and the bill paid, and we can see each day what is the median value. It's almost same, and its distribution in the day. Now we can improve the color by giving the palette. So the color each day can be of same color to see the distribution clearly. Now one step further, we can add another category. So previously we had one category, the days. Now we will have another category, which is the sex of the customer. Here we are giving the new dimension as hue, and we give it the column as the sex column. And here there are male and female. So each day we can see how the male customer and female customer has paid. It mostly looks like male customers are paying extra than compared to female customers. You can also analyze other variables like tips. So this was total bill. Now we can see the tip, how is it distributed throughout the day. To do that, instead of here the Y was total bill column, and here we just use tips, Y equal to tips, and X is the days, and we get this box plot. We see on Saturday a lot of tips which is outside the range was given. There are a lot of outliers on Saturday. Now let's look at the outliers. The points outside the whiskers, like I shown before, are called outliers, which represent unusually high or low values. To see that, you don't have to do anything, like the whisker calculation is using a equation, and any data outside that value will be shown here as an outlier. Right now we were plotting the box plot using Seaborn. Now how to plot this using Matplotlib. So here you can use this function box plot, which generates a similar plot. And to customize that, you can add few more extra parameters. This is a bit more difficult compared to our Seaborn to customize and to highlight different features. To summarize, boxplot helps us to understand the median of the dataset, spread of the data, and outliers. They are very useful for comparing distributions across categories. That's all for this video. Thank you.